In example 6, we'll use integration by parts using this formula. We have a definite integral, so we're evaluating the integral from 1 to e. We'll do it in two stages. First, we'll find the indefinite integral. Remember that the purpose of using integration by parts is to end up with a simpler integrand here than we originally had here. So we're looking at our product and thinking about one being fx and the other being g prime x, the first derivative, and with that in mind, finding an integrand f prime x times gx. In this case, one of the terms in the integrand is log x. The first derivative of log x is 1 on x, so that should make things simpler. We can rearrange our integrand into the form above, so that will equal the integral of log x squared dx. So we'll let fx equal log x. That implies that f prime x is equal to 1 on x. And we'll let g prime x equal x squared. We can use our inverse power rule to find gx. That implies gx is equal to 1/3 x cubed. So now we have fx and f prime x, g prime x and gx. Substituting the values we just found into the formula, we'll have fx times gx, that'll be log x times 1/3 x cubed, minus the integral of f prime x, that'll be 1 on x, times gx, well, that was 1/3 x cubed again, dx. We can rearrange and simplify. We'll have 1/3 x cubed log x minus, we take the 1/3 outside the integral and then cancel through the x, so it'll be x squared dx. We've achieved our objective. This integrand is much simpler than this one. Let's carry on. That will equal 1/3 x cubed log x minus 1/3 times, well, 1/3 x cubed plus c. We can simplify that a little bit more. We'll have 1/3 x cubed times log x minus 1/3 plus c. Now let's look at the definite integral. To evaluate the definite integral, we start with the indefinite integral without the c, and we evaluate over the limits of integration. That's from 1 to e. Remember, e is just another number. So we'll evaluate our function for x equals e, and we'll subtract the value of the function for x equals 1. That'll be 1/3 e cubed times log e minus 1/3. Put a big bracket around that, minus 1/3 1 cubed, bracket, log of 1 minus 1/3, bracket, another big bracket there. That's 1/3 e cubed. Log of e is 1. Minus 1/3 e cubed times 1/3 minus, well, 1/3 times 1 cubed is 1/3 times the log of 1. The log of 1 is 0, so it will be 1/3 1 times 0, a minus, that'll be plus 1/9. So we have 1/3 e cubed minus 1/9 e cubed. Well, that'll be 2/9 e cubed plus 1/9. Or we could simplify that as 2 times e cubed plus 1 over 9.